guys, it's Shannon, shimmering splendid, and we're here again for another vlog. Okay, in today's video, we are gonna be making a DIY summer outfit from my old clothes. I know some of you, especially my closest friends, knew how much I love sewing clothes, any outfits, gowns as well. Especially the hand-sewn ones. Mas prefer ko kasing magtahi using my both hands. I don't know, for me it's very uncomplicated and mas madali kong ma-create yung gusto kong gawin dun sa damit na yon. But you may also use sewing machine if you want and if you have. Sa ngayon kasi marami ng tools na pwedeng gamitin pang tahi. I don't know if you're familiar with the stapler kind of thing. It looks like a stapler, yes, of course. And nabibili lang siya somewhere like Divisoria. I suggest na pwede niyo siyang gamitin. I know, mura lang yun eh. Pwede niyo siyang gamitin for beginners and kung medyo nahihirapan kayo magtahi using your both hands. And you can also purchase it in any online stores like Shopee and Lazada. Okay, so the last time I made a gown was my graduation ball. That was a year ago. Matagal-tagal na rin. And short story lang muna tayo, guys. So marami akong nahanap na gown. Marami akong nahanap and hinanap ng mga gowns na gusto ko talaga. I mean, yung gusto kong style and everything. But I ended up wearing my own style. So ilalagay ko siya dito. Ayan. I know it's very revealing and exposed kasi syempre kilala niyo naman ako. Gusto ko ng mga hobadera outfits. So gusto ko yung mga ganyan, yung medyo labas yung cleavage, may sleeve. Actually, ito yung may pinakamataas na sleeve na nasuot kong gown so far. It's been a year, so na-miss ko rin magtahi. And since extended ang ating quarantine ngayon, so sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko maging productive today. Ang dami ko na in-explain and sinabi. Di ko na papatagalin to. I know you guys are ready, so if you wanna know how will I transform my old clothes into new outfits, just keep on watching. I took 5 items. 4 items in my closet. Wow, closet. My cabinet. Sa damitan ko, ganun. So, ito yung mga damit na tatahiin ko today na ita-transform natin. This one, it's a tube top. Okay naman siya, pero hindi ko kasi gusto yung style ng nasa baba. It feels like para kang bloated, kahit hindi naman. Second, this one. Ayan. Kami sando siya, guys, na velvet. And this one, an old polo shirt. And lastly is itong polo shirt na long sleeve naman siya, na white, na may mga designs na flowers. Position your tube top, put a mark and cut straight across. Once you're done, get the excess fabric, cut it, and it serves as your tie later on, and stretch. Measure the length of your skirt and flip it inside out. Cut the excess part to form a rectangle shape. Measure the elastic into your fabric. Add some pins to hold the area where you want to sew. And I just hand stitch along those lines. Keep some space for the hole. Get your elastic or garter and put some bobby pin to the end. Push the bobby pin to insert the garter. And sew the ends together. Cut a slit and start at the bottom of the skirt. Fold the raw edges. Pin the folds in place and start sewing. Be sure to remove the pins as you sew and do the same thing on the other side. And here's the final result. First, cut off the bottom of the shirt at the length you have chosen. Cut the middle part to make it open. Cut along the inside of the collar. Add more pins to secure the edges, then start sewing. You can sew it twice to make it durable. I got these 2 ties from my old blouse and sew it to the both sides of the top in chest area. We'll do the same thing on the second DIY. First, measure the skirt, then cut. Make sure that there are no jagged edges. Fold the top and make sure that the elastic will fit inside. Put some pins and sew. Make sure to hem the edges evenly. Again, get a bobby pin to insert the elastic inside. And sew ends together. Sew the hole where you inserted your elastic. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me in all of my SOCMED accounts at Shannon Immaculata. Keep safe, everyone. Stay indoors as much as possible. Bye. See you.